Good morning, dear students and dear friends. Dear students, as you know that nowadays we are covering syllabus of M.A. English first semester, and first to seventh chapter of the same we have covered. So today, dear friends and students, we are going to complete the rest of the syllabus, cover it with handwritten notes fully and finally, so that we can cover this book and move to the next course, that is the poetry from Chaucer to Poe. So dear students, let's get started. In this video, I will show you the rest 5 chapters, that is Restoration Literature, both are the same chapters, and the Classicism, the classical school of poetry, Classicism, its survival, and Classicism miscellaneous work. The Restoration Literature. Clear? And you can check it out how we are going to prepare the notes. You can pause the video and write it down, note it down. This is my WhatsApp number and this is my YouTube channel name. You can go through there and find more videos related to your study material. Dear students, it's very difficult if you are just going through only orally. You have to work on it by yourself by making the notes in any way so that it become easier. In first attempt, it cannot be easy for you if you are doing MA in English. It has a very deep meaning in every word, every sentences. You can see how much time I have taken to prepare such notes. It is not a cup of tea. It needs really a hard work. Thereafter, you can put a smart work how you are going to interpret, express your views from the book which you have read. It has vast knowledge, very vast knowledge about English literature. Every 4 courses essence is given in this particular book. That's why I have prepared the topics and notes of that book only. No doubt the rest of 3 books I will, but this is very important to look into its every aspects of the work of the literature, English literature. In first attempt you will find it very difficult to understand, but later or sooner it become very amiable for you and efficient for you to interpret and to inculcate the values imbibed in that such kind of literature book. 11th chapter, Classicism and its survival. Pause the video and try to grasp the content given and written in this particular types of notes. Pause the video and take screenshot or jot it down. miscellaneous work of classicism. This was all about this book. Dear students, thanks for watching the video till and have a nice day.